In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a member or accountant to Xero. Whether you're looking to collaborate with a colleague, work with your accountant more easily, or simply want to share your financial data effectively, this tutorial is going to take you through the process step by step. First, let's start by navigating to your Xero dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice your company name prominently displayed at the top left corner. Go ahead and click on your company name. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will guide you into the area where you can manage various preferences for your Xero account. Once you're in the Settings menu, keep an eye out for the option labeled Users. Click on Users to proceed. This is where you can manage who has access to your Xero account, and it's a critical step in inviting someone new. You should now see an option that says Invite a User. Click on that, and you're ready to bring someone new onto your team. In this next section, you'll need to enter some information about the person you're inviting. Start by typing in their name and email address. Accuracy is key here, so make sure you've got these details correct. Once that's done, you will need to decide the level of access or permissions this new user should have. Permissions in Xero are important because they define what the new member can see and do within the account. Choose the permissions that best fit their role. For example, if they're an accountant, they might need more access than an administrative assistant. After you've entered the name, email, and set the permissions, you're almost there. Click on Send Invite. By clicking this, you'll send an email invitation directly to the person you want to add. They'll receive this invitation in their inbox, and it's at this point they'll need to take action on their end. The invitee will be required to accept your invitation, and if they aren't already a Xero user, they'll need to create their own Xero account. This step is crucial as it ensures they have access to the platform. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to add a new member or accountant to your Xero account. It's a straightforward process that allows you to efficiently manage and share financial information. Once they've accepted your invitation, you'll be able to collaborate seamlessly within your Xero environment. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!